Hello guys. I decided to do example 14 on page 23 in 3 separate videos. The first video, I'm going to go through them, the 6 questions, and decide whether they're geometric or arithmetic. Okay, so that's going to be the first video. And the second video is going to be finding the sum of all the ones that are arithmetic. And the third video will be showing how to find the sums of all the ones that are geometric. So here we go. To check whether they're arithmetic or geometric, I guess we know that arithmetic has a common difference, D. So we're trying to figure out, does it have a D, a common difference, or does it have an R, a common ratio? Okay, common difference or common ratio. If it has a common difference, it means it's arithmetic. If it has a common ratio, it means it is geometric. So we take let's take one term, subtract the term in front of it to see if it's arithmetic. That equals 4. Take the next term, subtract the one in front of it to see if it's arithmetic. And yes, that also equals 4. That tells us then that D, the common difference, is 4 and that it's arithmetic. All right, let's do the same thing over here with number B. 12 subtract 6 is 6. 18 subtract 6. Oh, sorry, 18 subtract 12 is 6. Okay, yes, this is arithmetic with a common difference of 6. All right, let's do the same thing with number C. Negative 4 subtract a negative 2 is equal to negative 4 plus 2, which is negative 2. Do that with the next one. Negative 8 subtract negative 4 is equal to negative 8 plus 4, which is equal to negative 4. Okay, these are different from each other, therefore it's not an arithmetic sequence. So let's check for a geometric. That's supposed to be a 9 there. All right, so geometric, take one number, divide it by the number in front of it, and that equals 2. Take the next number, divide it by the number in front of it, and that also equals 2. So yes, there is a common ratio. It equals 2, and therefore it is geometric. Okay, trying the arithmetic. I always try the arithmetic first. 50 subtract 100 is negative 50. 25 subtract 50 is negative 25. Those are 2 different values, so therefore it's not arithmetic. Let's see if it's geometric. 50, divide it by the number in front of it, which is 100, which is 1/2. 25, divide it by the number in front of it, which is 1/2. Yes, there is a common ratio. It is 1/2, and therefore it is geometric. Last 2. Ooh, I almost erased this one. This is 132, 124, 116. Goes to U7. Okay. 124 subtract 132 is 8. Negative 8. Negative 8. 116 subtract 124 is negative 8. Yes, it is. Okay, therefore, it is a common difference of negative 8 and arithmetic. Okay, last one. Negative 1/4 subtract 1/8. And maybe you can look at this one and realize right away it's not arithmetic, just based on the numbers, but I'll do it out just to show it. Negative 1/4, I need a common denominator, so that'll be negative 2/8. Subtract 1/8, negative 3/8. do the next term, 1/2, subtract a -1/4. So that'll be 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. Those are different from each other, therefore it is not arithmetic. Let's check and see if it's geometric. -1/4. Instead of writing it like this, divide it by 1/8. I'm going to write it as division instead, but it's the same thing. Divide it by the number in front of it. Remember, when we divide by fractions, it's like multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. So that's 8/4, which is 2. Negative. It's -2. And the next one, 1/2, divide it by -1/4 is like 1/2 multiplied by -4/1, which is -4/2, which is -2. Therefore, R is -2, and it is geometric. All right, stay tuned for the next video. We'll see how we actually complete the questions.